In this video tutorial, you will learn how to add a background image in WordPress. Background images can be used to make your website look more inviting or engaging for your users, as well as aesthetically pleasing. You can add a background image very easily. Most themes come with an option to add a background image to them. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance. Then click on Customize. And here you can see an option to add a background image. Click here. And you can select an image by clicking here. Select the image you want to add. And then click on Choose Image. And you can see in the preview that the background image was added. You can change the preset here. If you want to change your image, you can do so by clicking here. And you can remove it by clicking here. Then finally, click on Publish to update the changes. If your theme does not have an option to add a background image, you can add one by adding some CSS code to your theme. First, open your website. Then right-click on your website. Click on Inspect Element. Look for the body tag. And beside it, you can see this code. This link is the link to the image I set as the background in the previous step. If you do not have a background image, there will be no link here. Just copy this code like this. Then, back in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on Customize. Click on the additional CSS option. Paste the code here. Now you just have to add the link of the image you want to select as your background image here, like this. And in the preview, you can see the background image has changed. This is how you can add a background image in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.